Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpain here, and welcome to another model rating video. So, in this video I'm going to be discussing about my update on the Christmas train, because recently I decided to start with the Christmas train, and these were the first products I got, which is, I got these from Train Sets Only, which, as you know, it is a store, but they're only doing online orders. They're not accepting in-person purchases, so if you want to buy from them, you have to order online, So first off, as you saw, I did a review on the Bachmann 060 tender steam locomotive with the slope tender. And then these are the first rolling stocks I got, which is the first car is the Mrs. Claus Spice Cider tank car, and then the Claus Candy Cane Company box car. The doors do open, slide. So that's really cool. These are all Bachmanns. So it's pretty cool, and this locomotive runs really well, so pretty cool. So anyways, moving on, I would like to show you guys some rolling stock that I also got, because I have lots of new rolling stock. So the first up, these I ordered from the Bachmann website. So the first up I have is a tank car. This is the Flying Reindeer water tank car in the North Pole and Southern, because North Pole and Southern is basically just Bachmann's own railroad for the holidays. So it's pretty cool. You can see the cream, the green, and the red. Looks really cool. Very cool looking. And I really love the new packaging they did. It's really nice. And this one, I also picked up this one. This is actually a packaging I've never seen before. I believe this is some kind of old style packaging. From what I found, I went to their warehouse finds, and they had a couple like seasonal items, so I picked up this one. This is the re-railed 36-foot offset cupola caboose, the Christmas caboose. And here's another little thing I like to share, is that this caboose actually comes from the train set, the Jingle Bell Express train set. So I was able to find this because they decided to sell it separately. So it's actually pretty cool they come in a box, I've never seen this kind of box before. But it's got plastic wheels, so there's that. I have a caboose. So that being out of the way, these are the ones I got from the Bachmann website. And next are some newer ones that I got a few days ago. These are the ones I ordered from Nicholas Smith Trains. Because they're about like $20 each, because they were really cheap freight cars. Because you can see here, let me just put this up. I have 3 newer Bachmanns, and then also a couple Lionels. So I have HL Lionel for the first time. So the first up with the Bachmann is this boxcar. This is the 40-foot North Pole Ornament Artisans, something like that, boxcar. So I believe this is like carrying like ornaments inside, so it's pretty cool. It's a little heavy too. And next one, this is actually a new release from Bachmann. This is the 40-foot quad hopper, the Claus coal mine hopper, because it carries coal, because as you know, coal is a thing that anyone who's on Santa's naughty list will be getting coal for Christmas. So maybe that could teach them a lesson to learn from their mistakes and learn to be good next time. But anyway, so this is actually really cool, because I know this car is actually very popular and it's sold out really fast. But Nicholas Smith Trains had a couple of these in stock, so I picked up one. There's that. And this one's a little bit of somewhat of a different packaging of Bachmann. So this is the 40-foot animated stock car with the Christmas North Pole and Southern with animated reindeers. So you can see when the car moves, you can see the reindeers pop out, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So with the Bachmanns out of the way, now let's move on to the Lionels. So the Lionel, I picked up the Polar Express 20th anniversary boxcar. Because as you know, since Polar Express came out 20 years ago, because it first came out in 2004, and now it's 2024, so this is their 20th anniversary, and the Polar Express is one of my favorite Christmas movies. I really love it. The design looks really cool. There's that, and I really love the packaging on it too. It's very outstanding. And then next I have 2 reefers. The first reefer is this one. This is the Santa's Choice reefer, so it's got the Santa's Choice with the, it says the cookies have never had it so good, so it's pretty cool. Looks very nicely detailed as well. And last but not least is this green reefer, the Cookies for Santa. So it's another Christmas reefer. So there's that. So there. So let me just put these back. So these are all the new rolling stocks I recently got, just from different sites. So from the Bachmann website, and these are from Nicholas Smith Trains, which I ordered online. Because I gotta say, their shipping is really nice and very reliable, and I'm glad these came, and it's just in time ready for the Christmas train. And there was gonna be one car I was gonna order, which is the North Pole and Southern Gondola, the track clean gondola, but that one's sold out from Nicholas Smith. So I'll have to think about ordering. I might order that one sometime later or so, or I could try and order it, and then try to run it around like the Christmas tree and like add it onto there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 rolling stocks for the Christmas tree. So yeah, so I'm gonna unbox all of these and show you guys what they look like outside the box. Alright, so now I've unboxed all of them. So I basically decided to skip the unboxing because, you know, since I have lots of rolling stocks, it's going to take me a few minutes to do it, and it'll probably get a little boring, so... so I unboxed them off camera. So here it is. Here's the first card, the tank car. It's very nicely done. It's got some great detail. You can see all that. And it's got the Easy Made couplers. Paint job is nicely done. Wow, look at that. You can see the underbody detail is real nice done, too. Well, the metal wheels and such. Very nicely done. And then top roof as well. Now the caboose. Now we'll move on to the caboose. Caboose has lots of great detail too, which, you know, it's got, you know, plastic, railing and all that. And it doesn't have any like glass, glass materials for like the windows, stuff like that. And it also comes with plastic wheels. Easy Made couplers. The cupola is also nicely done too. Very nice. Everything on that. It's really cool. Even so, I might think about getting metal wheels for this one sometime in the future if I can find some. So there's that. Next is the boxcar. You can see the artwork is very nice to Chris. Very nice. The 20th anniversary, Polar Express, and the art with the locomotive and the ticket. I believe this takes place, the artwork is based off that time where that hero boy tries to get that ticket to the hero girl, but unfortunately lost it, and it flew all over the place until it was later went back onto the train, so it's pretty cool. And the cool thing is, the doors move. The doors are sliding, so which is cool. Cool thing for Line-Up to do that, and lots of great underbody detail as well. It's got KD couplers. And they even got a label there too. Because you see, since Polar Express is owned by Warner Brothers, so apparently Lionel probably licensed with Warner Brothers to make this. So it's pretty cool. So there's that. And now here's the reefer. Nicely done. Paint job's nicely done. There's a picture of Santa Claus with a glass of milk and the cookies. Cookies that never felt so good. Details really nice, and as always, for the Bachmann rolling stock, the doors do slide. Cool. And here's the next one, another reefer, Cookies for Santa. Really nicely done too. Paint job is nicely done with all the snowflakes, the picture of Santa, and then Cookies for Santa, because I believe these are like known to transport cookies for him, because, you know, it's a thing, because, you know, people sell milk and cookies for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve, so he can come. And next is the stock car from Bachmann. So you can see there's an interior. You can see that's basically, you know, you can see the reindeers probably, but basically what's inside is just their heads and such. So when they pop out, they do operate. They come out when the train's in motion, so you can see doors will move. There's that. Next is the hopper. Hopper's nicely done. You can see the paint scheme is very nice and crisp. And I love the stocking with the coal in it. That's actually a pretty nice touch, because, you know, coal is something you get if you are on Santa's naughty list. So there's that. And the coal load is nicely done too. I don't know if this is removable sometime, but I'm going to keep it on here. But it's pretty cool. And then nice underbody detail. all that. Pretty cool. And then the boxcar. The boxcar does have a little weight to it too. And then the paint smells nice and crisp, and the doors slide. Door pull ornament all goes in and all that. Fragile load because it basically contains ornaments, and the ornaments are breakable. So there's that. So there it is. So basically, that's basically the stock of the probably a huge haul of Christmas rolling stock I had. So that's basically the collaboration I decided to do with the Christmas train. And so I have several. So I made it a little bit longer, but I might think about getting the gondola sometime in the future. But who knows if I plan to get that. And then I'll try and see if I can find some custom loads for it. Like make it a load, or you can just buy ones off eBay and stuff, or just stuff like that, or Etsy. Anyways, that's what I want to share you guys with my HO Scale Christmas Rolling Stock haul. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Alright, have a good day everybody.